Hi there. So it is time to take the board out, and I'm hoping this goes well. I have here a nut driver because the connection at the IEEE port is looking rather substantial. As it should be, because I mean, it takes a lot of pushing and pulling there. So inside, there is a little nut, which of course, once you get it going, it wants to spin. This is one of those times. I think oh, okay, I got one. Oh, and of course there's a washer. This is one of those times when you need a lot of hands and a lot of patience. So these are important because they do very much give the board strength, but also they are where the IEEE cable connects. And that is a place of stress. So that is one done. And now, we'll start on the other, and undoubtedly we will get to a point where it will keep turning, and the nut will be turned. Well, it's still pretty tough. There we go, I think. Okay, now, there's a lock washer. There's a little wee nut. I do not want to lose these. So I will put them down with the rest of the connectors for the hinge on the disk drive. So now off come all the plugs. The theory is that this capacitor, which is probably dry, is allowing things to get too hot, and then the voltage regulator, which I suspect deals with the read-write head, gets hot and then says, yo, we got trouble, and the thinking is that it then shuts off to protect itself, which is a good thing. But that means the drive, even though, and I'm assuming, but I could be wrong, that the mechanism, the stepper motor and the spinning motor use 12 volts. I could be wrong. I could be wrong. They keep going, but the read-write head says, I got no power. So, that is the thinking. So, how many screws are there? Once again, I do not want to lose these. I should have lined up some little wee cups. But oh well. I'm not going to sit around, and I'm going to get this sorted out quickly, quickly, quickly. Okay. I can't get that one out. I mean, I've got it loosened, but it's kind of in a difficult position. It looks to me like maybe there's 5 screws. It seems to be out, but not quite. It may be. Okay, this one's coming out. Oh, it almost is a little bit of a a flex to the board. Okay. What do we have? Alright, I think I can get this out now. I just gotta be careful not to drop screws and other things. The IEEE connector place is being a little okay. Difficult. So, oh, okay. Oh. Alright, things did not exactly come as I thought they would. There are little feet that go into the case, and they have come off. Oh, dear. Are they that size? Are they the same size? No, they're not. There's always something. Okay, that size. Oh, maybe they are. I'm not sure if this really makes... Ooh. There we go. Much difference, but I do not want to lose things. Did I lose something? No. It's right there. Oh, great. It's stuck. Okay, it's out. So it's like a little foot thing. So I will put that back. Oh. Gee, you know what? If I left it in there, of course it was backwards. I will screw this back into the case from whence it came. And it's probably supposed to stay. And now I have another one just like it. Once again, these things have been together for a very long time. Okay. All right. Alright, I heard it come out. There it is. Alright. So this tube will go back into the top of the drive. That's funny, the other two places do not have such things. They don't. And the screws are not the same. The ones up at the top are smaller than the ones below. But anyway, enough. The board is out. And what I did want to do is have a look to see if there are anything that looks like cold solder joints on all of this. And certainly, like I can tell, they've, you know, there's a lot of heat goes on here. There is. So, the board is out. I am going to shuffle things a bit here and prepare to do two things. To hit all the connections on these. I always forget the name. Power, not good. TR. Never mind. Doesn't matter. Anyway, I'm going to hit them with a little heat in case there is a cold solder joint, and I'm going to get ready to suck this capacitor out. So, stay tuned. Things are heating up.